everybody, today we're going to be making slime on Liz Life. I haven't been posting for a while, but I hope that's okay with you guys. We're going to be making slime that I have watched on other people's channels that I think might work. So let's get on with the first one. For our first slime, we will be needing shampoo and table salt. The shampoo I'm using, I don't know if it's going to work or not. It's Live Clean. But yeah. So that's going in the freezer for 2 minutes, like it said right before. So our second slime we're going to make while that's in the freezer, and I have a timer on right now for 2 minutes. Let's go. Next, we're going to add hand soap and table salt together to make the next slime. Next, we're going to need some food colorings for choice. We're going to need some water, flour, and cornstarch. Okay, so what happened is none of my slimes worked. The last one with the cornstarch, flour, and water it was like so sticky. So I added more cornstarch. I picked it up and I was just going like this, and there was so much stickiness on my hands. So then I can't pick up the cornstarch because then it will be full of slime, and my parents would not be happy with that. And so I started playing with it, and it just turned like all this watery muck. So it would have been better. So there's only one that worked. That could have worked if I added cornstarch in it, if I didn't pick it up back then. Pretty much. None of them worked. I think it's also because I don't buy chemical hair products, so not conditioner or shampoo. Like the stuff I used. It's not freezing. The salt, I think I put too much salt in the shampoo. No, the hand wash one. I think I put too much salt because it was just like all scraped after I froze it for 10 minutes. So go ahead and do that. I'm just saying a tip is don't put too much salt and buy a shampoo just for making slime for chemicals. I'm also saying it's not good for your hair, chemical shampoos or conditioner, because like it's chemicals and chemicals are horrible for you. Some of them okay, but not really. Any of them are good. So I'm going to show you my slimes right now. Let's just go. But the slime that worked out was the one with cornstarch and flour and water. It worked only because there was this last little bit when I was cleaning up everything. There's a last little bit, and I just thought I'd pick it up, get more, and it had the most cornstarch ever out of all of that stuff, and it turned into this. That's what it turned out like. It's sort of a doughy. It's not that good. I actually have quite a lot of slimes. They're not that good. I'm going to throw them out. Just this one's my best one. But I have 2 putties and 4 slimes. Well, 5 slimes. 2 putties, 4 floams, and 5 slimes. So I'll show you my slimes first. So this is my first one, the one I just made. And then my next one I made a really long time ago. It is so gross. It's made out of laundry detergent and Gain laundry detergent and glue. It was amazing, but I added lotion in it and it turned out horrible, so that's like garbage. this I made with borax shaving cream and borax shaving cream, like all that stuff, glue, that stuff. I added these little marbles I got from a store. They're the same thing, but this is garbage. It's like, it was so good until I added a bunch of them, and they were just disgusting. I shouldn't have done that. I know, made a mistake. We all make mistakes. Then, I have another one made out of Gain and glue, but it's horrible. All of my friends like it, but I think it's horrible. And it's so yeah, this is, like, I think I'm gonna give it away. So, giveaway, trash, keep. And then my last one is, hold on, it's holding up the camera. Sorry. Okay, my last one is the sticky one that needs cornstarch, that I will not even touch. That, and I can't even touch it, it's that sticky. So this is throwaway. I have a lot of throwaways, but those are my slimes. I can't show you my flow. One of my putties at school, so I have one more putty for you guys. Let's see it. This is glow in the dark. It's actually really good, and I'm so glad that that it turned out blue. So I thought it was gonna be green, but it turned out blue. And blue is a better color than neon green. No offense if any of you like it, but I prefer neon green for something totally different. But neon green, like, I found a neon green nail polish. I'd rather a blue for glow-in-the-dark blue putty better. My other putty is it turns purple to blue, and the Floam colors are orange, pink, yellow, and green. So this is the slime. So that was my video. I really enjoy playing with the putty and slimes, and I've never really done a slime video. I've made like one or two. One was with my friend Maya, and the other I think I only made one. But I enjoy making them so much, and I wish I had all the ingredients and they would all turn out amazing. I will probably invite one of my friends really good at making slime to come over and make slime with me and make a video. Let's see. Yeah, I think I know who. Special guest. But if you guys have any slimes, comment how many you have down below and comment what ingredients they are. And if you made any of these slimes, but they had a different ingredient, like, no, not the same ingredients, but they turned out amazing, tell me what you did differently. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!